Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today this video is highly requested by one of my subscribers. So it looks like he got one of this camera that I got from Amazon over I think a year and a half ago, and he wants to know basically how to use the camera because the manual really didn't tell you really how to use the camera. So when I did my initial review, I didn't know how to use it as well. So today that's what this tutorial is going to be about. Okay, so this is the camera. It does has this lens cover and everything else, and it has the screen open, and we'll be able to see yourself when you vlog in and everything else. So one of the reasons why I like this camera and stuff. So all right, so now that's the camera. Like I said, I did an initial video on this, so go watch that video and stuff like that. So this is my extended speaker or microphone, not even a speaker. This is a microphone right here. You can get this from Amazon or whatsoever, or you can use whatever speaker connection you have, but it needs to have this kind of thing right here that will go into this hole right here. Okay, so you just put that on here and then put this microphone on yourself, and then you can easily record with a higher volume. Okay, so that's that. And also I'm pretty sure you know, he knows how to put this as well. Goes here. This is the charger goes there. So all right, so now this is where the SD card goes in right there. So I have a couple of SD cards. The one that I mostly like is this one. Okay, this one you can find it at Walmart for, I got a 64 gigabyte, and you can get this for $10.99 or so. Yeah, it's nothing more than $10. Okay, so I have this, and this is a good one because this, you can use this on your laptop, or you can download your videos on your phone. Okay, so this is what you will need if you go to Walmart. This is what you will need. Okay, so it's very inexpensive, and it's a 64 gigabytes too, so that will last you for a while. Okay, so that's that. And I also have my SD card reader, which I normally excuse me, which I normally take from here and then pop it in here and then put it in my phone, and voila, I can just download whatever video I want to download, and then edit it from my phone or whatsoever. Make it easy because I'm always on the go with my phone. So this lightning cable, I guess that's how you call it. So yeah, or SD something reader. Yeah, SD card reader for iPhone. So yeah, this is quicker. Put it in here on the go if you don't have your laptop all the time. So this is very, very handy to yeah, to have with you, you know, on the go. So I have couple of SD cards here that I want to show you. Yeah, it's the same thing. Couple of SD cards here. So this is the SanDisk SD cards. I have a 32 and a 64. I can use this in here, but I cannot use it in here to download my videos on my phone. So the only one that works for my phone, it will be this SD card. But you can use this also for this, but the only thing is you won't be able to download your videos on your phone, only on your laptop for this. So I've tried this multiple times. I called Apple and everything else, so that don't work. So mostly now, because this one you can use it both ways. That one for me, you can only use it for your computer, especially for this camera. So I don't know why this, I don't know. Don't quote me on that. So, but I had an issue with it, and I called customer service, Apple and everything. They was like, if this one is working, that means it has to do with the SD card not working with your phone. So I stayed with this just to make life simple and everything. So I stayed with this. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is to put the SD card in here. I should have like a couple of videos in here. Okay, so that goes in, and this is the power button. Okay, guys, so we're gonna put this camera on now. So my camera, you know, I didn't charge it before I start the video, so now it's unplugged. So now what you do is, this is the power button, this one right here. So when you charging it, you're gonna get that light right there. So now when you turn the power on, so that red light, that blue light comes on like that. And then from there is a button right here. This is the button right here. Tells you where it says mode. Yeah, where it says mode right here. This one right here. This button right here. You're gonna press that. And then if you want to video, you can leave it on this video mark right here. But if you want to take a picture, this is a video mode right here, okay? But if you want to take a picture like this, we're going to take a picture now. So let's take a picture of that. So this button right here is the button you're going to press to take the photo. This one right here, okay? So we're going to press that, and we took a photo, okay? So we're going to do it again. There we go, we took a photo. So if we want to do a video, we go back. You see that sign that says video right there. So all we have to do is put it on a video mode, and then this same button right here that you use to take the picture is the same button that you're gonna press to video, okay? So I'm gonna press it now, and you will see this record. So now it's recording. You should see that on my side is red, but on the thing it looks like yellow. So now it's recording. You can tell by on top of here the numbers keeps going up and things. So yeah, then if you want to stop it again, you hit this same button right here, this one right here, and you stop it. It would just stop right there, okay? So that's what you do, okay? So now if you want to review your pictures and things like that, so now what you do is you will go let me go back. Okay, so if you want to review your pictures, like the video that we just did, so let me go back here. Is an arrow here that you use. Go, like I say, I got so many pictures here. Okay, so this is the video that we took and everything. So all you have to do, press this OK button right in the middle here, and it will just play your video right there. Okay, it will just play it for you. Let me go back. It should play. Okay, right here. So right here, you see, when you see these things right here, these are the videos. So these over here are just the pictures. Okay, so when you reach to the video right here, then you press. So you see that it's playing. Okay, so you want to stop it, you stop it, and then you want to go back, you go back. You want to do another video, you just press that. This is to take a photo and stuff. So okay, so now if you want to go to the menu to work all of this out, all you have to do, just go to the menu. It's a capture mode. Like, it's really simple. You know, just click on the one that you want to work on and stuff like that, and it will just tell you what to do. Okay guys, so basically I think I covered almost everything. So yeah, so if you guys want to see something else, so this is, I think I didn't show you these two buttons right here. So these two buttons are the zoom buttons, like zoom in and zoom out, you know. So let me see if I can go back and do a video. Okay, so this is a video right here. So let's say we want a video, right? So we're gonna press that. So now these two buttons right here, 1, 2 right here, there you go. You can use this, and then you see that to zoom out, and this thing can just zoom in any kind of way you want it, closer, close up, and then all the way is up to you. Little by little is up to you. So I guess I covered everything. So I mean, you just gotta keep playing with it like I did to figure it out, because they really didn't give you like a really good instructions for this camera and things. So you guys know this thing goes on your tripod and stuff, and this is where the battery goes. When you open, the battery goes in and stuff like that. Close that back up. So this one I think is to transfer your files from this to your computer and put the plug in, but that didn't come with the plug. So yeah, so it comes with this lens, you guys. So I think I covered everything, you know. So it's a great camera for starting up, you know, and things like that. It's very, you know, like I say, if you don't want to use your phone and full up the memory and stuff like that, this is good to actually get and yeah, and use this now that you know, for the meantime, until you can get your hands on something, you know, you can upgrade to. But for basic wise, this is what I do. You know, I'm very basic. I don't do too much, you know, and sometimes I use my phone to videotape, you know, record and everything. Excuse me. Especially if I don't, because I don't carry my camera everywhere I go, but my phone is with me majority of the time. So basically that's what I do. So, you know, again, if you don't mind every video that you upload, then you got to delete it instead of keeping it in, you know, on your SD card. So let me know down below if I covered everything. If I leave out something, let me know. But this is a highly requested, because he was really torturing my comment section. comment yes. You know, every time I post, I thought you said you was gonna upload now. This is the video. Okay, I'll put his name on the screen as well. Give him a shout out. Okay, bye bye.